Hello everyone. So in this video we will see how to find this longest substring without repeating character. So this is lead code number 3, and here we have the problem statement like given a string is, find the length of longest substring without duplicate characters. Okay, so if you'll see here, this is my example. They have just given 3 examples, and in the first example they have given this is my string and they want output as a 3. Okay, and how they are deciding the output? So they are saying the answer is ABC. Okay, so if you'll see here, ABC is the substring which has no repeating character. Okay, so that's the reason the length is 3 here. Okay, and if we'll go A B C, then A is coming, right? So that's the reason this is ABC is one substring and length is 3. And also they are saying BCA and CAB are also correct answers. So if you see here, BCA, okay, this is also a correct string and again the length is 3. Now B is coming, right? So that's the reason they want only non-repeating characters. Now you can see here CAB, this is also a substring which has a length 3. Okay, after that C is coming. Okay, similarly if you'll see in the example 2, here the length is coming as 1. Okay, because B is repeating after 1. Okay, that's the reason this output is 1. Here you can see for this string they are saying output is 3. So if you'll see here WKE, right, this is the unique string. Okay, that's the reason output is coming as 3. So after seeing this problem, we can solve this using brute force method also, right? We will start the loop from here, right? Like we'll just start the loop from here, then it will go till C, and after that we'll break that loop. Okay. Similarly, after that we will just start the loop from B, C, A, and after that we'll break the loop. Okay. So this will give us correct answer. But the problem is it will take so much of time to iterate your string again and again. Okay, and eventually what it will happen, you will get that the time exceeding error, right? If your string is big, then you will get that error. Okay, so rather than going with this brute force, we will just optimize this using sliding window. Okay, so we'll just solve using the sliding window, and here what we will do, we'll just take the left and right pointer to keep track of the substrings. Okay, and also we will just use the dictionary, right, to we'll just map that. So dictionary is the key and value pair, so we have the hash map as a dictionary in csap, so we'll just use the dictionary to uh, remember what character has last appeared. Okay, so without further delay we'll see the code. Okay, so now you can see here, this is my method and it is expecting only one string, right? So it is expecting one string, and here what I have done, I have just taken this integer n is nothing but just it will take the length, right? It will find out the length, what is the length of this string. Okay, and after that I have just taken like this maximum length. So we have to find the maximum length. So I have just initialized with the 0, and after that whatever maximum length we will find, we'll assign into this maximum length. Okay, and then I have taken as dictionary here. You can see here, right? So dictionary I've just taken the key will be character and the value will be integer. Okay, so we have to find the character and then we have to assign into the integer, right? That's the reason I've just taken this key value pair. After that what I have done, I've just, since we have just solving using 2 pointer approach, right? So left will be also start from 0, and the right all will be also start from 0 here. Okay, then what it will happen, what we will do, this right pointer, right pointer will be a scan the string, and also it will update the dictionary every time, right? So if you'll see here, I'm updating the dictionary with the most current value, which I'll show you, when I'll debug, I'll show you how it will update with the most current value. Okay, and here what it will do, if this character here you can find out, right, I'm just finding the character from this string, right? So each character I'm finding out, and if you'll see if this character is already present in this dictionary, then we will move the left pointer, okay, to the right side to the same character where the same character has found. Okay, so and so here I'm just checking this dictionary contains the same character or not, and also I'm just checking whether this current length is greater or equal to left or not. Okay, and then so this is my string here, right? So this is my input. So what I'll do, I'll just start the debugger and then I'll show you. I put one breakpoint here. Yeah. So you can see here, right? So here, what is the length? Length you can find out, right? 8 is the length. So this is my string. So length is 8. Maximum length is 0. Then I'm just using this dictionary, and then left I'm starting from 0. Okay. And right pointer also, it will start from 0. It will go till length, like less than length, and then I'm just incrementing the right. Okay. So now you can see here. So first character, what is the first character? So first character is A. So in the current character, it will come as A. You can see here, right? So this is my A first character. Then what it will do is, if you'll see whether this character is present in dictionary or not. So first time it is not present, right? So what it will do, it will just it will it will update the dictionary with the most current value. So what is the current value for this? 0, right? So if you'll see here, so current index map, what is that? A equal to A is 0, right? So A is the key and the value is 0. Okay. And now here the max length I have to find out. So we are just using this mat dot max. I'm using this, and then I'm just using right minus left plus 1. Okay. To find out the max length. And then I'm just returning this max length. Okay. So now you can do again, like, what is the next character? B is the next character, right? So it will, in the current character, what it will come? It will come as B. Okay. Now this B also does not present in dictionaries. Then what it will do? It will just update the your dictionary here, right? So you can see here. So A is 0th position and B with B at first position, right? Now again it will go to the loop. Then it will check the C. C also not present. Then again it will just update the dictionary here, right? You can see A0, B1, C2, and then it will what is the max length? So earlier it was 2, now it will 3, right? So right minus left plus 1. Okay. So now it will give the 3. Now the interesting thing you will see. Now you can see, right? A will come here, right? A, B, C. After that, A will come. So see here, A is coming, right? Now we'll see, like, whether A is present in this dictionary or not. A is present, right? And also this character length is greater equal to left, right? So it will come inside the left block, and what it will do. So what is the current? What is the left right now? So left is 0 right now. Okay. See, what is the value is now? Left is 1. Okay. Earlier it was 0. Now we have just increased with 1, right? And now if you see here, I have to update update this dictionary also, right? So now if you'll see here, A was earlier, it was the 0th position. Now we will just update with the current value. Okay. So current value is 4, right? So you can see here, current value is 3, like, since it is starting from 0, so current value is 3, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3. So A, like, it just updated the dictionary with the current value here, right? And what is the right now? So 3. Okay. So this is the thing, you can see here, right? So this value is updating with the 3. So what is the A is, like, most recent update. So the value is 3, right? So it is updating with 3. And here I am just finding out the length, right? So right is 3, left is 1. So 3 minus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. Again, it will give you a 3 value, right? Similarly, again, it will find out the B. Okay. Again, it will just increase the earlier left was 1, then it will increase the value as 2. Now you can see here, right? 2. And what was the value earlier for the B? Now you can see here, right? Earlier it was 1, right? Now it will update with 4. So now you can see here 4, and the right value is also 4 now. Okay. And here we will just find out the max value. Okay. So it will do the same thing for all the value, and it will find out what is the maximum value here. Okay. So this is the simple thing, like, we have to remember, like, how we are just solving this. So we are just solving using the dictionary and the left right pointer. Okay. And lastly we will just return this max length. Okay. So I'll click on continue here. After that, what I'll do, I'll just copy the same code here and I'll paste into the LeetCode so that I can show you, right, whether it's working fine or not. Okay, I'll just click on run. Yeah, so you can see here, right, it has accepted. So case 1, case 2, and case 3. Accepted. I'll click on submit here. Okay, it took like 4 milliseconds. So that's all from this video. Thank you.